This is how your structure protection kit is going to be shipped to your doorstep. So there's 4 zip ties on there. What you're going to need is a pair of wire cutters, a knife, or a multi-purpose tool. So today I just have a Gerber multi-purpose tool. What you're going to do, open it up. And then you can start to unbox it. Inside your structure protection kit, you're going to find your sprinkler apex mount with 75 feet of throw line with your throw bag attached. Coming pre-assembled is your sprinkler, and that's what provides 2,500 square feet of coverage. Next, you have your 75 feet of wildfire hose. It's 5/8 of an inch, and this is what attaches to your outside water spigot. We have your telescopic mount. And then you have your 2-person structure protection kit deployment guide.